Welcome to the Learning Lab vocabulary course. I'm so excited to learn with you. Today we will learn this compare and contrast. Compare. Compare means to look closely at two or more things to see how they're the same. Means the similarity. On the other hand, contrast means how they're the different. Now, can we compare between lemon and orange? Compare their similarity. They both grow on trees. Citrus fruit have seeds full of vitamin C, have juicy pulp. Now, contrast means their difference. Lemon is sour in taste, but orange is sweet. Lemon is yellow in color. Orange is orange in color. Lemon is oval shaped. Orange is round shaped. Lemon is used in lemonade. Orange is used in orange juice. We can easily show compare and contrast in Venn diagram. Venn diagram is two intersecting circles, where the intersecting part shows similarity and two other parts show the difference. And here we compare them with their similarities and contrast them by focusing on their difference. Now can you compare and contrast between this puppy and this sweet cat? See you in the next video. Bye!